हरे जय जय राम कृष्ण हरे. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today we will discuss about Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj Abhang, serial number 13. And in this Abhanga, he have told us how God is existed in our life. We have to just give some time to ourselves to know that how is the spiritual power existed in our body. Like we have so many machineries in our house, and all machineries shapes working process is different, but electricity power is one. So same thing, this world have so many animals, types of animal, but if you think internal spiritual power, it is only one. So give some time to ourselves to know that spiritual power. Once we come to know that spiritual power, then Sukhache Udgar Tusu Bolosi, then we will come to know what is happiness, sadness, satisfaction. These all our feelings will come through that spiritual power. And once we have that position where full satisfaction is there, then if sadness or happiness anything will come in our life, we will not affect it, because we know after all everything is changeable. If today is happy days are there, it will be for some time. After some days it will be go, and again some sad days will come, then it will. So it is circle is going on. To face that circle, we have one proper position of our heart. If you reach that position, then this sukha and dukkha, means sadness and happiness, will not affect on our body or our heart. Tujvina konashi sangu deva, and that time we will come to know. Just think it, who is eating anything, he only know that taste of that thing. Just observation or just telling that knowledge to someone, it is not fulfill or that feeling. If you want to feel that, you have to eat, or like that we have to do ourselves some practice. Because this adhyatma, paramartha, this atma chintana, these all are just not wording knowledge. It is not our knowledge prospect, it is regarding feeling. We have to take one experience. It is a very important, this experience is very important to know the God. And that time we will come to know these outside world, which are the we have some relationships, these all are temporary. After few days they will go from us, or we will live to them. Means anything will happen definitely. So which is a permanently in our heart, that is the real friend of us. So we can tell. And also my Krishna Paramatma told to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, you only your friend and you only your enemy. Because both thoughts in our heart or in our mind, good thoughts also there, bad thought also there. If you react with bad thoughts, it will be affect again to us only, because action is equal to reaction. If you act with good thoughts, so action is good, so reaction also good only. So here Sansad Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling, so always try to understand ourselves, or try to understand how I am acting or how I am doing something. So if you come to know those things, definitely we have control on that position or that actions. Shrota ani vakta tuchi sadgurnata. After that he have given one good example. When we are telling something to someone, that time that telling person, that listening person, and what things we are telling, those things all are regarding God only. because which spiritual power in my body, same spiritual power who is listening in that person body also. And what we are telling means, when sadhu mahatma are talking, they are not talking like prapancha or like this physical world thoughts. What they will talk regarding atma chintana, they will talk means how to improve our spirituality, and those thoughts are regarding god. So he's here, Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj have told, I am talking due to that spiritual power. Who is listening, he have that jiva, or he have that spirituality in his body. That's reason he is live. If that spiritual power is not there, he will die. So same means he is live because that spiritual, I live because that same spiritual power. So here I and he is not different, and what we are talking, it is also not different. All are indirectly belongs to this god's Paramatma Parmeshwar. And सांगो तुझी कथा तुझपासी. So that's reason we are not doing anything new in this world. Everything already existed, just we are knowing ourselves. Like in mirror, if you want to see our face, what we will do, we will clean that mirror. So same thing, we are just cleaning our bad thoughts or bad behaviors, and we are seeing our original purity, means purity. तुझे सत्यने चाले सर्वजन, तुझा तू आपण सद्गुरुनाथ. After he is telling, due to your authority this universe is running on, or this world is going on. And if you not do means few seconds also you stop your duty, or you think today I am lazy, I don't want to work today, then this full world will be lost, everything, it will be damaged, everything will. He have control to each and everything. The sun doing his duty, moon doing his duty, earth running properly. So that's reason everything is, and all these things have means they have one control, unique control, and that control is called god, or you can tell Bhagwan Paramatma. तुझ्या सत्तेने चाले सर्वजन, तुझा तू आपण सद्गुरुनाथ. So that's reason we are just one animal as a human being. So we also have one duty, and that duty is called memorize him. Just remember, just chant Prabhu Nama. Whatever, if you trust, you have trust on god, if you have trust on Allah, if you have trust on Bhagwan Paramatma Parmeshwar, just chant him. He definitely will come to know that spiritual power, and then we will not fight to anyone, because we come to know that time this all world is, universe is not small, not like one home, it is a big house. So we can't calculate also. So our duty is just remember him. तुझियाने बळे राहती तिनी ताळे. And this, because this Parmeshwar Paramatma have control to each and everyone. तू सकळांचे मूळ सद्गुरुनाथ. Also Parmeshwar Paramatma is base of everything, because that base, if you think there is no base of this universe, it is not correct. Someone is there who is operating all those things. If no one is there, then how all thing is going on? This tarangana, rain is coming, we are telling nature something is there, means ocean through water, means that bashpa will come out, and then that cloud will come, and then rain will start. We are telling like that some natural rules, nature rules, but behind those nature rules one spiritual power is there, and that is called god. गणेशनाथ म्हणे सांगो तुझं काय, हा अखंड चित्ते राहे सद्गुरुनाथ. So there have so many things to tell to word, but why we don't want to waste our time to tell all those things, because it is all are unnecessary, because it is uncountable. We can't count universe power, we can't count this sunlight also. It is one of the panch mahabhuta, one of the content in this panch mahabhuta. So we don't have that much life to calculate each and everything. How just we, if you start counting our own hair, we can't count, because we don't want, means here Sant Sat Maharaj is telling, I don't want to waste time to do all those things, because there have so many things to do that. And that is one of the thing is to chant Prabhu Nama, or to continually memorize him. This is my first duty and I will do that. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.